Okay, what's your name? Huh?
Taiwo.
What?
Taiwo.
Haiwo?
Taiwo.
Haiwo! Go.
Stop.
Hey, Andrew, look at the camera. Say hello to the camera. Oh, what's your name again?
Taiwo.
Haiwo. Oh, Haiwo. Haiwo? Your real name? What's your real name?
Taiwo.
What Haiwo? It's not Haiwo. Huh?
Dad, why did you put my cell phone?
Hello. Say hello.
Oh, hello.
Dad, where's the cell phone?
This is the Mercedes of your Auntie Eileen. You can see he's standing up. Okay, and then I take a look here. Wow, you see? Oh, that's a Mercedes on the side view. Oops, sandali. Mahina ng baterya. Yan, this is the Mercedes of your Auntie Eileen. You can see her there. Wow. Okay, now I am going in front. I am going in front and taking a look at the front of the Mercedes. Yan. You can see the Mercedes signboard, see? Yeah, okay. Now, okay.
Bong, you want to drive?
No.
No?
Okay, he asked me if I want to drive. I said no. Then you take a look. Yan, there is also a BMW over there. That's Malu's car. Okay, yan ang BMW. Okay, yan si Eileen. That's their house there, you see. Okay, yan. They're now going inside. Going inside na sila. Okay, Mercedes. Now I'm going inside. I'm going inside na. Mercedes ini. Wow. Woo! You see? Now I'm going in. Okay, you see the controls. Wow, ganda controls yan. Oh, see? Yan. Nakita mo, Mercedes yan. Okay, you'll see the face of Tita Eileen is looking at their key. Ayos yan, Halala na, hala.
No compartment, so many levels.
Yan, truck yan,
Walang GPS ako.
Okay, you wanna see my face?
Additional compartment, maraming level.
You don't believe that I'm riding here? That's me! Okay, see, that's me, Okay. Tyler, what's your name? You want to be on YouTube? Andrew. You're on YouTube, that's Andrew. Pugi yan. Wapo, Tyler, let me see your face. Pogi. I'll show you on YouTube. YouTube to. They might discover you in Hollywood. Tyler? You want to be Hollywood actor? Okay. Okay, we're going na. This is Cody, the macho of Rancho Drive. How are you, Cody? Woof. Cody. Woof. Tanggalin mo yung cover. Yan! Magpigi ka nga! You do the pigi. Come. Baby babu. Aba. Come. Papaliguan kita. Bat. Lungkot naman. Galing sa labas eh. Cody baby. Okay.
How are we gonna make margaritas without a blender?
That's why I said under wraps.
Manually.
Okay.
You can go back for it, honey. You wanna go back for it?
They're discussing how to do their marita. Mahabang discussion yan.
Smaller glass. shot glass. Ayan yung shot glass. Saan shot glass? Yan.
For decoration lang hata yung shot glass dyan.
Hindi, mga collection ni Nicole. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan sila.
Baka ano na yan, ha? Hindi nagamit yan, kailangan magamit.